Okay. So now let us try to see the last part. Okay, in which we would be now seeing how things are being done. So right now people are trying to integrate AR with VR. XR is already there, MR is already there in the market. So digital twins, phygital systems, these are what people are now trying to make. Okay, so you can anytime check this website Zurion.ai. Okay, so what this person has tried to do, Unity के अंदर the game is created. Okay, and based on your physical activity, game के अंदर also the character jumps. I hope this thing is understood. Okay, now okay, so one such thing you can see over here, this Urion. Okay, so in this case, can you again see in this video how the game is moving, and again based on the gestures inputs are given. Okay, so we will also give this thing a try, and in order to use this we are going to use something called as media pipe. So iske andar again installation and everything is very less, coding and everything is also very less. What is needed to be done, that you all can check. Please open media pipe, or you can please search for something called as media pipe. Search for media pipe, open the very first search which it does show from Google. Okay, media pipe is again from Google. Now over here, please open Studio Media, MEDIA PIPE. Media pipe. Open Studio. Click on Try It. It will ask you to log in with your Gmail ID. Please log in. Once you are logged in, it will show all the features or all the recognition part what it is having. So this is ML's integration with your AR/VR. Okay. So once you do this, I am not opening this because my face is only there over here. So let me just open this gesture recognition wala part. Okay. So media pipe open karo, left side mein there is what? There is Studio. Click on Studio. Open Try It. Media pipe ke upar you can go, and gesture recognition ke upar please click on See Demo. Okay. Please allow. And as soon as you do allow, please let the process complete. Gesture recognition beta. Okay, please let this thing load. There are few gestures which this can recognize. Okay, hand gesture. Now you can see that loading part is gone. And now can you see your hand getting recognized? And bottom mein again there is written, okay, closed fist, open palm, victory, thumbs up, thumbs down. Did I write any line of code? One hand, two hand. Okay, it also recognizes both the hands. Okay, it is not going to recognize your favorite finger. Please do not show that. Okay, I hope you are able to see these things. Left hand, right hand. Done. Media Pipe Studio, click on try it. You need to log in. Here scroll down, gesture recognition open kiya tha. Okay, you can also try object detection, image segmentation, face detection, pose detection. Okay, I had open gesture recognition ka demo. It does take time to just load. Let this blue this thing go. जब तक ये blue circle है ना, it is not going to show anything. Okay, everything is ready. Everything is free over here to use. So as soon as it goes, you can see. Okay, now three things: horizontal movement, vertical movement, and jump. Will you be able to do this thing via gesture? Okay, तो gesture से करने के लिए what we have to do वो देख लो. You have to install Python. You have to install MediaPipe. You have to install MediaPipe OpenCV. You have to install WebSockets. Okay. There are two different applications now. एक अलग application है called as Unity. एक अलग application है called as what? Called as your MediaPipe का Python. In order to have a talk between two, you need to have something called as WebSockets over here. Okay. So here 2-3 lines of codes are only there. What you have to write? One is Python you have to install. So Windows R CMD. If you type Python and hit enter, okay. अगर Python installed है तो automatically editor इधर ही on हो जाएगा. In my case it is not. Please go back, go to store, search for Python. You need to install Python 3.11. Okay, 3.11 Python you need to install. Now I do not have the admin rights over here. Still, let us see if it gets installed. Python 3.11. Python 3.11 के साथ you will also get pip. Things are very simple. You can directly check everything in Visual Studio Code itself. आपको कोड से भी बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Single line of command and then you can execute the same. Okay, please install Python 3.11. Then next, pip install Python-OpenCV. Okay, pip install MediaPipe. So these things we are going to install. Still, I am writing the same. Okay, in a particular proper manner. List commands to install MediaPipe. Okay, and recognize a gesture in Unity. Okay, Windows PC. Okay, uh, Python 3.11 is installed. So here you need to have pip install media pipe. Okay, so let Python get installed first. Then you will use pip as you will need to install pip and then WebSockets. OpenCV also we will be needing to use. Okay, so ये दो commands एक ही साथ में can I install OpenCV Python and media pipe? Yes, तो उसके लिए इसके बाद give space and write media pipe. So that also you can do. Okay. Gesture. And send the same to Unity. Okay, we will discuss on this tomorrow again in detail, but abhi ke liye whatever prerequisites are there, I hope those you do install. So Python is installed. Check करने के लिए again open your command prompt. Python space minus minus version 3.11.9 pip space minus minus version. Okay, pip is also installed. अगर latest नहीं है तो it gives us an thing. Okay, so pip is installed. Okay, once you do have these two things, pip install media pipe and OpenCV dash Python. So you can see the same. Let me again cross check. Pip install media pipe and we need to install what? We need to install pip install OpenCV hyphen Python command prompt में CMD में. Okay, so if you do hit enter, it will take some time. Media pipe install हो रहा है and it is trying to write. Okay, and along with that, OpenCV will also get installed. Very first thing, Python 3.11. Then we did run what? We did run a single command pip space install space media pipe space OpenCV minus Python or OpenCV hyphen Python. As soon as you hit enter, it will install all the prerequisites. So now we can check whether OpenCV is installed, import OpenCV as CV. Then you just need to capture the data and then you need to just show the image. Okay, image by image. Video capture 0 from the default device we need to capture and we need to show. I'll show that also very quickly. So yesterday's and today's both the recordings are there. I'll upload it and I'll share with sir all the books and PPTs. Okay, so we will be providing all these things. Tomorrow, let us begin with this computer vision task. Finish this. Let us begin with headset. Finish that, and then in the evening we will again discuss about the TWE aspect and the entire syllabus. Okay, all the presentations and everything theoretically, what all things are there. Pip installed है क्या? Is pip installed? तो पहले पिप करना पड़ेगा ना. फर्स्ट पाइथन के साथ ऑटोमेटिकली यू गेट पिप, एंड पिप इज द पर्सन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. So once you do show thumbs up, your game object should jump. Okay, that is what you need to check. And close fish pay, you can make it move forward. If you open the fish, it should stop, or if you are not showing anything by default also, it should stop. So the same game, वो तीन वाला mode वाला what you have created, that also you can integrate with OpenCV. तू गया कब था बाहर? अच्छा, अभी आया है ऐसा नहीं ना? Okay, and please do not worry about the extensive content which we have covered as of now. You still have time. Please do revise things, and please go through the recordings, and please do practice. I guess 2-3 days also, if you do try to practice properly, you would be able to make a good game. Okay, so meanwhile this is getting installed, I'll just write one more prompt. Write a Python script to check if OpenCV is installed. I just want to see the webcam. Okay, webcam video feed in a frame. Okay, ठीक है. On executing a py file. Okay, so very simple things. Import CV. Okay, this was already told. Then over here you can see it is trying to capture the frame and cv2.frame. If you do press hit Q button, वो बंद कर देगा. I copy this. I go to say D drive. Okay, D drive में AR/VR projects, right click, new text file abcd.py. अभी स्टिल वो टेक्स्ट फाइल ही है. ओवर हियर व्यू शो एक्सटेंशंस, txt एक्सटेंशन निकाल दिया आगे से, एंड लेट अस मेक दिस थिंग टू बी जस्ट पाई. राइट क्लिक, open with, or as of now let me again open it with notepad. Okay, I'll copy everything, I'll paste everything what was given to me. I closed, I am just waiting for it to be installed. How to execute? So over here where you are there, here click, type cmd, command prompt will open directly over there. Okay, Python space tab. Okay, abcd.py aa gaya. You just have to hit what? Now you just have to hit enter. So we are just waiting for this thing to get installed. Once it is installed, if you hit enter, you will see a frame. Frame के ऊपर if you are able to see your video feed, that means OpenCV is installed. उसके बाद क्या चेक करना है हमने? एक और क्या चीज हमने इंस्टॉल किया? मीडिया पाइप. So second, let us quickly check मीडिया पाइप है क्या नहीं. उसके लिए also same thing is there. So tomorrow I am trying my best to finish things till 2 p.m. Okay, 1 to 2 का जो break है, by 1 I will try my best to finish. Maximum 2 to 3 also I will need based on headset. Headset we will start using headsets from 11:30. So headsets के लिए if there is anything needed, max to max post 2 to 3 also I will take your time. After 3 we all are free. Whatever issues related to your Unity or these things are there, please let me know. Okay, so that time we have kept in buffer. So there we are getting at least 8 to 9 Mbps. Here it is 500 kbps. Okay, that is why it is taking time. I thought मतलब 5 minutes के अंदर वो हो जाएगा तो you can go, but 5 minutes are turning out to be 20. Mac के ना, Mac के अंदर we need to check. I guess उनका है नहीं. Okay, बता देता हूँ. So guys, both the things are installed. I did create a text file. Extension was not visible. View show extensions के ऊपर I did went. Okay, I did change the extension to be .py. Then I did edit the same in Notepad. Edit, open with Notepad. I did paste. Then here I did type cmd. Command prompt is there. Now, right now I am there in the same directory where this Python file is there. You have to be in the same directory, Python space, file name, and as soon as you hit enter, you should see a window pop up showing your video. Okay, by default it is not going to close. Do you see the video now? So no matter how many times you do try to close, this is not going to go. So anywhere in the window, hit once and press Q. तो वो close हो गया. I hope ये समझ में आ गया. What did we check? We did check that OpenCV is installed. Now next what we have to check? Media pipe. So now let us again change the prompt. We can write great. Now let us check if media pipe is working properly and installed. Okay, write a script to recognize a gesture and display the gesture, okay, on the video feed. Okay, so media pipe and everything is there or not. So here CV2B liya or MP2 media pipe also we are using. I copy this script. I go back. I create one more text file. GST gesture .py. I hit enter. I change the extension. I open it with notepad. I paste everything. Save. Close. CMD. Python space G tab enter. So now you should see a window, and in the window your gesture should also be visible. Okay, so can you see the gesture? Getting it or not getting it? Okay, so things are installed, these things are working. Now if you do, even though try closing, it is not going to close. Just hit Q once, everything will close. We now need to fine tune. इसको हमको बोलना होगा भी now along with the gesture I want to send data via WebSockets to Unity, and Unity को बोलना होगा now listen to a WebSocket and then get the data. So first, as we have seen, we will first do a debug.log. Debug.log में आ गया, then based on the data input what we get, we can have transform.translate. Done. Okay, so I stop over here. If any